in our effort to achieve inner peace, to become one with the God, we not only need to look within us, but have to take care of what we eat, what we wear, how our surroundings are, where we live, how we behave with ourselves and with others. We are all connected with Ek Sattva through Sattva, that is our own soul. This makes our body a temple. So we need to take due care of keeping our body clean, keeping our mind clean, wearing clothing that will be befitting to a temple. Our thoughts are like mantras being chanted in a temple. Therefore, in order to achieve inner peace, we also need to keep our thoughts clean and always aligned to our goal, that is to connect with Ek Sattva. As we choose specific colors to paint temples and worship places of our gods, we choose the best of available stones and other resources to beautify our places of worships. Similarly, our gods have given us the luxury of clothes. Now, what to wear is the question. What can we wear to achieve inner peace? Answer to that question is mostly there in your religious choice and the society you live in. You can wear what your religion warrants you, because ultimately you want to achieve the form of Ek Sattva, form of God, where your methodology to achieve Him leads to. So, religiously appropriate clothing is first choice. But just to be religious is not enough to achieve inner peace. To establish connection with God, with Ek Sattva, we have to consume natural, biodegradable materials only when making our clothing choice, and we have to be minimalistic. Every time we buy a new pair of clothes, somewhere nature is being exploited, destroyed to create that piece of clothing. Somewhere nature is being destroyed to create the money that you earned to buy that clothing. Ek Sattva asks us to be minimalistic in using resources and always use biodegradable resources only. So we should never be purchasing more than one pair of clothing every year, or two pairs every 2 years, or so on. Moreover, cloth that we purchase, it should not stick to our body. Allowing flow of natural air between our clothes and our body is very important for a spiritual awakening. Therefore, we should always wear loose clothing, which allows our body to be aerated properly. we should use minimum clothing material which is culturally, religiously, and societally suitable. But while making choice of clothing, make sure that they do not stop the air, the cosmic energy to touch your body at any time. And make sure you earn minimum that is required for your survival, so it's enough to purchase minimum amount of clothing required for you to be using culturally appropriate dressing. There are people who do moral policing in the name of what somebody is wearing. Let me tell you clearly, no religion and no God tells or expects you to wear or not wear a particular clothing. But when you are in a religious place, then please be appropriately dressed according to regulations of that particular religion, that particular society, so as to not offend people and their practices. But in general, our clothing choices should be based on considering that our body is a temple, considering that we have to lead a minimalistic life, and considering that we do not obliterate the flow of air, the flow of cosmic energy from always being in contact with our body. Only when we will make our body a temple from within and from outside, then we will be able to establish our connect with Ek Sattva and realize true inner peace. Om Hari Hari.